Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. As you can see, today we have our BoxyCharm Premium for September 2020. So we're going to dive into this. Before we do, I want to say hi. My name is Nikki. If you are new, welcome. I do all kinds of fun subscription box unboxings here on our channel, plus some product reviews. So if you enjoy subscription boxes, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. Guys, I do want to remind you that we do have an active giveaway going on that will be linked down below. It does end on the 26th, so you have plenty of time to enter. And also, please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy. That really does help me out, and I would appreciate it. So, BoxyCharm Premium. This is the September 2020 box. So, BoxyCharm, they have their $25 a month subscription where you get 5 full-size items. You can customize one item. They do have their BoxyCharm Premium that is $35 a month. You're supposed to receive 6 to 7 full-size items. And then every third month, instead of the regular box, you get Boxy Luxe, which is $49.99. So we, like I said, get to choose one item in here. So I know one thing that's in here, so we're gonna get in here, see what variation I've gotten and what all I got. So let's dive in. And then we peel it back. We have a card. So there's what we see. All right. So the theme for September is Glam Vibes Only. And I have a variation 13. All right, so let's go over our products. Now, we will start with the one that I chose. I was so excited when I saw this was an option. And this is the Marc Jacobs Youth Quake Hydra Full Retexturizing Gel Creme. So there is the package. Let's see what they say about it. It says, have it all. This multitasking moisturizer has the perfect combination of moisturizing and retexturing results. Why bother rehydrated dead skin cells? Smooth away rough texture and reveal a fresh surface that's ready to receive major moisture magnitude. And this is $59. So just this product alone is more than the cost of the box. So let's take it out and see what the actual package looks like. Yeah, I like that. So I want to see if it's like kind of like a water cream, because I love moisturizers that it really doesn't have a scent. So I like that. I don't really like a lot of fragrance in my moisturizer. So there you can see that. So yeah, it's definitely more like a water cream, and I love that because I love water creams. I don't really care for creams that are too heavy on the skin. And that went in very nicely. I really, really like that. So pretty good. All right, and then we have got, let's see, this is from Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. And there is the packaging. Smudge Stick is available in an array of shades that stay, not stray. For a reliable color payoff that's second to none, moisturizing ingredients ensure color glides on smooth and the waterproof formula won't budge or fade. What's more, it can be used as a classic pencil eyeliner or a smudgy eyeshadow. $22. And this is in the shade Damsel. So it kind of looks like a dark brown, almost. Let's see. Let's take a peek. So here's the actual product. Yeah, this looks more like a dark brown. This is my favorite type of eyeliner. But it's such a dark brown, it could pass for black. So I'm not mad at this, actually. So we have that guy as well. All right. Then we have got what is this? Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. I don't know that I've a facial oil that's an overnight treatment. Hydrating and lightweight, the Brilliance Facial Oil from Emma Hardy massages deep into skin so you can achieve a natural looking glow. Multi-active, this formula is crafted with potent essential oils that soothe and purify skin, while camelina oil offers antioxidant protection from free radical damage. $55. Now it doesn't say anything in the actual description about overnight, but it says it on the package. So let's see. It says warm a few drops of Brilliance Facial Oil between your hands and smooth over a cleansed face and neck, primarily at night for maximum effect. For maximum benefit, use as an overnight treatment. So there is that guy. Let's see what it looks like outside of the box. So there is the, that's a good, I mean, it's 1 ounce, so that's standard for something like this. So, like something's coming off. I want to see if it has a scent. It definitely has a scent. It definitely has a scent. It says it's formulated without silicone, synthetic colors, synthetic fragrances, petroleum, mineral oils, sulfates, or animal ingredients. So it's vegan. It says it has geranium, rose, lavender, lemon, chamomile, orange, mint. I think it's the rose and the lavender. I'm really not a fan of those, and I'm kind of picking that up. So this is probably going to be in a future giveaway, just because I just can't. I like the way fresh roses smell, but I don't like the way rose in any type of skincare smells or anything like that. So like I said, that will probably end up in a future giveaway. Then we have got, this is from Milk Makeup. This is Kush Lip Scrub, $22. An exfoliating conditioning lip scrub made with natural sugar crystals and hemp stem exfoliators for softer, smoother, more moisturized lips. Shea, cocoa, and mango butter soften lips, seal in moisture, and improve texture. You know, the only thing, I'm not mad at this, I guess, because it does sound very interesting and it sounds a little bit bougie, to be honest. However, we just got 1 or 2 lip balms in our Boxy Premium, like just a few months ago. Kush Lip Scrub Gamage. Although, so this is kind of like a scrub and a balm in one. Yeah. So, okay. Oh, and it's magnetic. I do like that. So yeah, see, milk. All right. I mean, cooler months are going to come, so we do need that. Then we've got from Kitsch, if I'm saying that correctly, an ice roller. This ice roller is your new at-home facial. Made with high-quality surgical stainless steel, it helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. Recommended daily use for best results, and this is valued at $18. Well, if it does all that, I'm going to rub it everywhere. Let's see. Thoroughly cleanse and dry skin. It tells you different ways to do it. Says for additional benefits, apply your favorite serum or sheet mask. It does say to take it, when you do take it out of the freezer, you want to take it out and let it sit for a few minutes. Let's open this and see what it actually looks like. Oh, well, it's pretty. It's pink. I could use this on my neck. my shoulders. I mean, I could use it on my face, but okay, that's interesting to get like a little tool item. Looks like we have one final product, and this is Eloise Beauty, the Queen Eyeshadow Palette. So here's the outer packaging. And the Queen palette possesses immense energy of life, femininity, and strength. Each color tells a story, each color holds infinite power and carries a unique narrative. Our highly pigmented colors, which are suitable for all ranges of skin tones, are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time from the past to the present, an era of femininity, grace, and power. A queen lies in us all. This is $46. Well, all right, so the actual palette matches the outer packaging, and it's 20 pigments. So there's 20 colors in here. It says 8 buttery mattes, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 metallics, and 1 duochrome topper. Okay, wow. When I first started to open it, I'll be honest, the colors started to intimidate me because I saw some bright pink. But y'all, this is, so it does bend all the way. Look at these colors. This right here, I think, is the duochrome. This is actually very, very pretty. You could create some gorgeous, just these 3 colors right here, gorgeous fall look. Gorgeous. Gorgeous fall look. And then if you want to get a little frisky, you got some teal, which is very pretty. Some purple, some hot pink. This color right here, this like mustardy, shimmery color, that's actually very pretty. So normally not my cup of tea. However, I do think that this actually, because it does have so many colors that are, you know, kind of fall, and then it has just those pops. This actually, I think, is a very pretty palette. So it surprised me. They got me. So yeah, so we got the palette, we got the Stila eyeliner, we got the ice roller, the Marc Jacobs moisturizer, we got the Emma Hardy facial oil, and the Milk Makeup lip scrub / lip balm. So I will add everything up and put it down here so you can see the total value. Like I said, the premium is $35 a month. We did get 6 products. Not my favorite month. However, it is not my least favorite month. Now, I've had premiums where I'm like, ooh, I don't know if you count this as premium. This, I would say, I would count it as premium because of some of the brands that are in here. I think this was a good box. It's just, I've seen better. So, but yeah, let me know if we were box twins. If you get Boxy Premium, let me know your thoughts on the video and the items. If we weren't box twins, did you get any of the same? Have you tried them? Do you like them? Do you love them? Let me know. I love hearing from you guys. Again, don't forget, we do have that giveaway going on. The link will be down below. Thank you so very much to our channel members. Your support means so much to me. I do greatly appreciate it. If you're not a channel member, being here and watching means so much. So guys, again, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.